This is a sample luncheon menu for showing you how to remediate 508 compliance issues in tables for PDFs. I'm starting here in Word, and the only thing that I've done here is add a few things. Like up here I have a heading 1, and here I have heading 2 in the styles, and the salad and entree and dessert are all heading 3s. When I convert this over to a PDF file, you're going to see that there are going to be some issues. For instance, this top area here will be over all the other areas as an umbrella heading, and then salad, entree, and dessert will be headings for the rows over these 3 rows for salad, 3 rows for entrees, and 3 rows for desserts. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you in the coming videos how to fix those issues, and also how to improve the screen reader access to the content in the table. Now, tables are one of the more difficult things in remediating PDFs, so pay attention.